Hi everyone, today I want to show you how to edit information about the financial report in the Clodify system. So we need first to log in, go to a financials reports page and open the report that we need. Like here we have the edit action. We need to click on this action. We can here edit or add some information. What we can edit? We can edit the number of working days, currency, expense salary, and expense constant, investments, and spend on corp events if we have this information. If we don't have and we need to add, we can add, of course. Also, we can copy previous values for expense constant from the previous month, from the previous financial report. Here, for example, I want to delete and to show you how we can copy. Let's save. Okay, 24. Okay. We saved the report number 8. So here is the same report and we can copy the previous values. So we copied the previous values from the previous financial report and we can save this information. It was saved one more time and it is already saved. Also, as I showed, we can delete and add information, investments here as well. So we can add or delete this data and also edit this information if we need, or add here, for example, expense salary. So here is the data. Oh, okay, see. So we need to delete because we do not need to add this. So it was successfully saved. So we edited the financial report, the information that we need, and that's how we can do it in the Clodify system.